Hello everyone and welcome to Azam Sharp YouTube channel. Just a quick reminder that my workshop on Introduction to Testing in iOS is coming soon. It's on April 27th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central. This is a very hands-on workshop, meaning you will be able to learn about test-driven development, unit testing, mocking, integration testing, as well as end-to-end testing. Now, currently, the workshop is available for only $50, but this is going to change once April 24th is over. So that's going to go to $129. So you have only today, because today is April 24th, to purchase the tickets, to reserve the tickets for this, because April 25th comes, it's going to be $129, as with the other prices. You can see my other workshops, they're $129. So this is a early bird special, which is kind of like going away, and on April 25th, it will be $129. So go to azamsharp.school, check out the workshops. You'll be glad that you are enrolled in this workshop. I have a lot of people who attended previous workshop. They really enjoyed it. You will get the recording if you enroll, and if you attend the workshop, you'll get the recordings for the workshops also. So this is a very hands-on workshop. It will be hosted over Zoom. So go ahead and enroll. Thank you so much and hope you enjoy it.